Hello guys, what's up? How was your week? How was your weekend? How has your week begun? In this video, what we're going to be talking about uh, the JPY basket, the US dollar index, gold, and volatility 75. So that will be our series, mostly because almost all of the pairs that we trade on a daily are covered by the JPY index and the dollar index. So just breaking down those two pairs will actually save us a lot of time and break down a whole lot of pairs. So that will be the series. If today if this video seems excuse me, so if this video seems to be of help to you or seems interesting, stick with us until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with a few friends that you believe the video will be of help to them. So without further ado, starting off with JPY, that's right in front of us. I need to slow down. I'm speaking too fast. I need to slow down. I need to slow down. Okay, so JPY, that's right in front of us. You can see prices started up here, came back down here, consolidated a bit here, and then gave us a break above. Now prices have broken below this area here, right? So if you look at the trend, obviously you can see that, okay, prices here created this some sort of consolidation, then started going up one, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So obviously here our trend is to continue going up. But if you look in the 4 hours, that's from the daily perspective, obviously. So if you look here, on the 4 hours, you can see prices broke out of this some sort of triangle pattern, right? Some sort of triangle pattern. So my anticipation is that, as you can see now, prices are still consolidating here, is I'm waiting for a breakout. If prices do break above here, then obviously this will be a continuation of the upside. And obviously it will be above this, right? It will be above this trend line. So that will be a good indication that, okay, hey, the bulls just took over again. And that will be a good sign for us to continue going bullish. But if prices do break below here, then obviously I'm anticipating to see prices perhaps fall until here, because you can see on the left-hand side, we have a clean slate, no resistance. And then once prices reach there, I believe that is where we'll be looking for, bullish opportunities. So that's what I anticipate to see on the JPY index. The USD, you can see here, we are in an uptrend. Prices are creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and here creating higher lows. This was the most recent market structure here based on the 4 hour, some sort of a double bottom, and prices have broken above that. So our next area of interest will be here. So I do believe that prices are going to keep on pushing higher until they reach here. And then after that, if we use the Fibonacci extension tool, so this is here, and then this was the retracement. So you can see that prices after that will be having making their first taps at around here. This will be the first target. Excuse me, let's change the color of that. This will be the first target at around one. So this is how I'm anticipating to see prices play out. Once they reach here, obviously prices will push until one, give us a retest on the 0.618, and then from there push all the way until they reach 1.618. So that's what I anticipate to see play out on the US dollar if prices keep on having this bullish momentum that they're having right now, obviously. So gold, let's talk about gold. GOLD, my favorite. Let's see what it's up. Let us see what is up. Okay, let's get it. Oof, look at this. Break retest, continuation. Crazy move. So right now what I'm anticipating is for gold actually to keep on going higher until they finish this bowl here. So that's all I'm anticipating to see gold play out. This feel of the bowl here. All right. So once prices reach here, or we might see a retracement until here. The most recent area of interest was around here, you know. So this is what I'm anticipating to see happen on gold. Once prices reach here, you know, come and give us all that. And perhaps a continuation if prices do manage to break, you know, above this thing. And then to be looking for, you know, areas around here. At around here, at around here, at around here. So that's what I'm anticipating to see happen on gold. Obviously, this is a market structure that's up here, guys. So don't just think I pulled it out of nowhere. It's actually a market structure. It's a market structure that's up here. So you can see that's what I'm anticipating to see happen in gold. But if prices do manage to break above here before they give us this retest, this beautiful retest that I'll be waiting anxiously. If prices fail to give us this retest, then I'll be just expecting to see prices pushed all the way until they reach at around 1.6, 1870. Okay, so now let's switch to volatility 75. Let's switch to volatility 75. It's been a minute since we talked about volatility 75, so let's get to it. Here we have this on the daily basis. You can see prices have broken above this descending trend line and gave us two touches. This was the confirmation touch on this ascending trend line. So now prices, you can see, have failed to actually break above this resistance area for a while now, right? It's a very strong resistance area. So what I'm anticipating right now, as you can see, prices have just broken above this and have given us a second touch on this bounce. So what I'm anticipating to see play out here on the index is prices will give us perhaps a third bounce on this trend line and then break above. You know, the more that the trend line is tested, or the more the resistance or support is touched, the weaker it becomes. That means there are more people trying to break that thing. So that means here, I believe if it touches here and it fails to break, once it gets another support from the trendline buyers here, this thing is going to hell. So that's what I'm anticipating to see happen on volatility 75. Some bulls kicking in, and this will be our target. So if this video has been of help to you guys, smash that like button, comment. I mean, tell me if you like this series the way it is. Comment on what you'd like me to improve. Other than that, share with a few friends, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Till next time, guys, let's have a great trading week. I love you. Peace and love.